Bedbugs. Introduction. A bedbug bite affects each person differently. Select true or false. Correct. Bite responses can range from an absence of any physical signs of the bite, to a small bite mark, to a serious allergic reaction. Are bedbugs easy to detect? Select yes or no. Correct. Bedbugs are not easy to detect. Fortunately, there are signs to look for that will indicate a bedbug infestation. Which of the following is a characteristic of bites of bedbugs? Choose one of the following options. 1. They are usually in a row. 2. They are usually in threes. 3. They are usually itchy. 4. All of the above. Correct. The bites of bedbugs are usually in a row, appear in threes, and are itchy, but they may also appear as a single bite, and some bites are not itchy. Do most people have an allergic reaction to a bedbug bite? Select yes or no. Correct. It is rare for a bedbug bite to cause an allergic reaction. The bite of a bedbug usually goes away on its own in a week or two. Select true or false. Correct. It is best to avoid scratching the bite site. When you travel and are staying in a hotel, where should you place your luggage to avoid bedbugs? Choose one of the following options. 1. On the bed. 2. On the floor. 3. On a luggage rack. Correct. You should place your luggage on a luggage rack when staying in a hotel. This will help you avoid bedbugs. Thank you for using Explain.